Hello and welcome to the Music School of Rock. My name is Marine and today I'm teaching you an exercise to get your technique to the next level. Alright, so we're going to talk about the thumb. So it's not always easy to work on it. It needs to be very discreet and very fast. So the exercise is very simple. We're going to take only the white keys and you're going to use the thumb right here, place it on the middle C. So right hand, middle C, and then we're going to do D. And we're going to use again the thumb. So basically we're going to use only two fingers for this one, going up and down. So the 1 and the 2. So C, D, your thumb again. So you pass the thumb here, F, and again. We're going to do it 1 octave more. There you go. And we go back, same thing. So make sure you keep your hand very relaxed and round. There you go. So we're going to do it with the left hand here. So we're going to start with the thumb again on C, just below the middle C. And we're going to use the 2 again. So C, D, E, F. And we're going back. There you go. Now, the next step is to use 1 and 3. So, 1, 3 on D, 1, 3, 1, 3. Keep your hand very relaxed, and we go back. Doesn't need to be fast, just need to be relaxed and discreet. There you go. Left hand again, so thumb and 3. Now 1 and 4. So let's get more difficult. 1, 4, 1, 4. Left again. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. And now for the most advanced 1 and 5. So we don't really use that one in like when we play pieces or anything, but it's just for the techniques to work on the thumb. 1, 5, 1, 5, and try to stay relaxed. There you go. And left hand, so 1, 5, 1, 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please join us on Facebook, on Instagram, and hit the subscribe button just below so you never miss any lesson. So keep on rocking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.